Welcome to the Gerrie.com search tutorial. Today we'll be looking at how to find products with search bar and how to find products through the categories. First off, you'll notice when I click on the search bar, on the right hand side here, it will display my search history. Clicking on this will give me the results for that search term. If I were to type that search term in, you'll notice on the right hand side here that the top products related to those terms that I put in or term that I put in will display, as well as any brands that are related to what I typed in. When I click on one of these, it will take me to the product detail page. The search results have different ways that you can filter them. First, you can filter the view by clicking on these icons. Second, you can sort by best match, A to Z, brands, and inventory. You can also search over here to find something detailed within the search result itself, or say a particular category that might have the item that you're looking for. Next thing we're going to do is look at products and the categories and how to find items there. We're going to look at lighting, LEDs, indoor, and panels as an example. When you get a result for a category or subcategory, you notice the very same options are available for you as in the search results. You can change the view. You can select a different sort option. You can search within the area, and you can also look within the filters on the left-hand side for something you're looking for in particular.